Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to change cover photo on Facebook without posting. First of all, open Facebook apps and tap on the profile icon. And tap on camera icon. Select upload photo and select your favorite photo and then tap on save. Scroll down, refresh. Okay, now upload my cover photo. Tap on the three dot and select hide from profile. Click on and then confirm. Okay, now done. That's how you can do it. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our Tutorial River channel for more video.